If you use a computer every day, learning a few keyboard shortcuts can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the most useful shortcuts you can start using right away. These are simple, powerful, and perfect for beginners. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and software guides. Let's start with one of the most common shortcuts you'll ever use, Ctrl C. This is the copy command. When you want to duplicate text, an image, or a file selection, just highlight what you want and press Ctrl C. It instantly stores that item so you can paste it somewhere else. Next is Ctrl V, which is the paste shortcut. After copying something with Ctrl C, move your cursor to where you want it to go, then press Ctrl V. This places the copied content exactly where you need it. Copy and paste are two of the most essential shortcuts in any workflow. Now let's talk about Ctrl X. This one is for cut. It works a lot like copy, but instead of duplicating the item, it removes it from the original location and stores it in your clipboard. Then you can paste it somewhere else using Ctrl V. This is especially useful when you want to move text or files quickly. Another shortcut that can save you when you make a mistake is Ctrl Z. This is the undo command. If you delete something by accident, type the wrong thing, or make an unwanted change, press Ctrl C to go back one step. It's one of the best shortcuts to remember because it gives you a fast way to fix errors. If you undo something and then realize you actually wanted to keep that change, use Ctrl Y. This is the redo shortcut. It brings back the last action you undid. So if you accidentally undo too far, Ctrl Y helps you move forward again. Undo and redo are a great pair to learn together. The next shortcut is Ctrl A, and this one means select all. When you want to highlight everything in a document, a folder, or a text field, press Ctrl A. This is especially useful when you want to copy an entire block of text, delete everything quickly, or apply a change to all selected content. A good way to remember these shortcuts is to practice them in your everyday tasks. Use Ctrl C and Ctrl V when moving text. Use Ctrl X when you want to cut something instead of copying it. Use Ctrl Z whenever you need to undo a mistake, and Ctrl Y when you want to redo it. And whenever you need everything selected, just use Ctrl A. These shortcuts may seem small, but together they can make you much faster and more efficient. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Before long, you'll be using them without even thinking about it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.